Alright, let's get straight to it. Robinhood at this time does not offer joint accounts. You cannot create a shared investment account with another person on their platform. Therefore, there is no process to explain. You cannot proceed with this request on Robinhood. Alternative considerations. If you and another person wish to invest together, you have two primary options outside of a direct joint account on Robinhood. Number 1. Individual accounts. Each person opens their own Robinhood account. You can then coordinate investments, but this requires significant trust and organization. This is not a formal joint account, and all assets are individually owned. Number 2. Brokerages offering joint accounts. Explore other brokerage firms that specifically offer joint accounts. These accounts allow for shared ownership and management of investments. You will need to research and compare platforms based on fees, features, and account types. Tip: when considering shared investments, regardless of the platform, establish a clear investment agreement in writing. This agreement should outline ownership percentages, decision-making processes, and how profits and losses will be handled. This will help prevent future disputes.